In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a row in a table in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, make sure you have a table in your Microsoft Word document. Then select a cell that's inside a row that you wish to delete. Or you can highlight the entire row. Once this is done, right-click, click Delete Cells, then click Delete Entire Row, and then OK. This can also be achieved by making sure we highlight our entire row, click Table Layout at the top of the ribbon, then click Delete, Delete Rows, and that will remove that row as well. You can also do the same by highlighting it and clicking Backspace on your keyboard, and then selecting Delete Entire Row, and then click OK. If one of those methods has helped you, then like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about tables, how to customize them, merge them, and use them effectively in your Microsoft Word documents, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.